Hello there. Welcome to another problem session. Today we are going to do continue our journey on solving paper 1 of 2023 JEE IIT exam, joint entrance for IIT entrance. Okay, so these are advanced papers, and we're doing paper 1 right now, and we're doing one. Each day we're doing all the problems in one section. So right now let's look at the section 4. So this is section 4. It has four questions. So it has this question has a multiple choice, and there are two lists. So like there's a list 1 and a list 2. So there are these possibilities in list 1, and these possibilities and possible answers in list 2. So each one of these is going to match with one of those guys. So in terms of matching, there are these, like this question will have 4 choices, and only one of them is correct, where P, Q, R, and S, these mappings, these 4 mappings are the correct mapping. And you don't have to check for all of them, right? It just says if you get the correct answer, you get a +3, and 0 mark is 0. You get a negative mark here. It's actually very firm negative mark. If we say somebody was randomly picking up, so probability of getting correct answer, this one turns out to be A is the correct answer, so you'll get 3 points. But randomly, the chance of this getting is 1 in 4th, right? And these other guys are, each one of them, this one is going to give you -1 points if you choose them. So you're going to get -3, each one, -1 times 1/4, minus times 1 times 1/4, -1 times 1/4, and +3/4. This whole thing adds up to 0. So you will get, overall the probability of getting is 0, okay, if you choose randomly a number of times. So this is a very leveled. So I like this negative choice marking because it actually is balanced. Alright, so today what we're going to do is this problem, and I will talk to you about the strategy of solving this types of problems, because you're also not only trying to find the right answer, but you're trying to find the right answer in the shortest amount of time possible, and you don't want to be wasting time. Okay, we don't want to be wasting time at all when you are in the exam situation. And okay, so it's not necessary for you to check every single possibility, but sufficient so that you're confident that's the correct answer. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so here is a list 1. These are radioactive processes, but things are missing. Other things that could go in each one of them are missing, and those missing things are supplied in list 2. Okay, so here we look at which one of these I should tackle. That's the first thing you should think, that which one of these is more likely to solve it. If I know exactly, then I don't need to check anything else. So if I look at the possibilities, this one P goes 4 5 4 5, so P is not going to distinguish. Q 3 3 1 1, Q not going to do. R 2 1 2 3, R kind of is the 1 2 3, the 3 possibilities. It has the better chance than P and Q. And S is 1 4 5 2. See, if I can solve S, then it seems like I'll be done. So I just do S. Okay, so to solve S, looking at process S, so for S, what do I have? I have a you don't even have to know the names of these guys, because all you're looking for is mass balance and charge balance. So if this is testing, if you know what this means and all these particles mean. Okay, 91 Pa 228. So what does this mean? If you know this, so this is the number of protons, and this is number of protons for neutrons. So this is a mass number. and this is the atomic number. So if this is supposed to go to 88 Ra 224, if you look at this, you have alpha particles, beta plus, and beta minus particles. So you have a alpha particles is equal to 2He4. So this is a helium nucleus, and beta minus is another name for electron. So this is electron. So this is going to be -1 charge and 0 mass. Okay, it's not it's a 0 mass. It's just there's no this is not as heavy as proton or neutron. So it's just effectively 0 here. So beta plus is going to be antiparticle of electron, which is positron, or its charge will be +1, but it will be just like electron. And so these are the things. So I need to have 91. So this side I have a 91 plus type of 91, and the mass is 228. This is the mass, and this is the charge. So on this side is 224, and I have a plus 88. So so if I do a +2, this is a +2, and then I need another one +1. There may be also neutrino, which is not part of the list here, so I don't worry about it. So there'll be neutrino or photons, which are not part of this. All right, like gamma rays can come out of this. And so mass, let's look at this, makes it, if I use one of this, then it's a 4. So this must be the helium, this is the alpha, and this has to be, everything is balanced. This plus this gives me that. These these charges give me that. So I'm done. Actually this is, so this will have alpha, this will have alpha plus beta plus. So let's look at which one it is. One alpha and one alpha and one beta plus particles. So S goes to 1. So S goes to 1. So that's the answer. S goes to 1, and so the answer is A. And at this point I'll just move on, because there is no reason to check for other ones. But you could go ahead, if you have later, you have some time, you can check out other ones, okay? And maybe I will leave that as an exercise for you to check out the other ones. But I'll just move on. That will be my choice right away, because in time, this problem you should try to save time, because in 1 hour you have so many problems to solve. I think this section, which is the last section, is paper 1. Then we have a question 15 to go. There's a question 15, and then there's a question 16, and then there's a question 17. And each one of them, I think you should be able to do in 2 to 3 minutes. So you're supposed to do it like 2 to 3 minutes, bang, bang, bang. All right. Okay, so I'm done with this one, and I'm going to move on to the second problem. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.